Hey, what's up, bus fans? Welcome to a brand new edition of Bus Junkies TV 2019. What's up? Happy New Year, everybody. And this year we're going to be doing some fun stuff. We're going to be reviewing products that we get from some partners and things that we order from people that we really love. Companies like Just Campers, So Fine, in any of those companies like that, Wolfgang. Who you gonna have? You guys know your companies, so whoever you buy your parts from, we might happen to pick up some parts as well and install these bad boys on our ride. So we've gotten parts from CB Performance, CIP1, all over the place. So I just installed these headlight grills, kind of a nice aggressive look for Lily here, and a brand new tire cover. The tire cover that I had was checkered, and it's gotten quite faded and nasty looking. It's also from Just Campers, and the new one kind of cleans it up a little bit. You don't have to line up the lines on the checkered. There's no logo. Real nice, clean look. So pretty happy with that. Kind of keeps it a little more cleaner appearance. And pretty stoked on this. It's going to rain tonight. We're going to have a rain for about 3 or 4 days, so just got a brand new full-size bus tire vehicle cover with a zip door. So right now I'm going to install that, and thanks for joining us. I got to clean the top off a little bit because I don't want to get any. She doesn't have the best paint job, but there is some dirt on there, so I'll take my microfiber broom and clean it up a little bit. Just make sure I don't have anything that's going to scratch the paint. We live up in the woods here, right under the redwood trees, so we get quite a bit of debris and just stuff flying around everywhere. The price you pay to live in a beautiful place like the redwood forest of Santa Cruz. And there's just so much yellow pollen on this thing right now. You can just see it being swiped off. Just go around. Once again, this is my microfiber. Boom. All right. Over there. Brand new vehicle cover, and I believe this is the front. It would be nice if there was a little label that said front, just so I know what the heck I'm doing when I unroll it for the first time. Let's hope that this is indeed the front of the cover and I'm going the right way. I have no idea what to expect at this point. And it's been under wraps for a while. Holy smoke. I think it's probably going to unroll back to the back from here. So where am I going with this? Maybe you guys have some better ideas. It looks like to me, let's see if we can see in here. Man, okay, alright, come here. That indeed looks like the front, so it's going to go this way. Boom, lucky if you get that on the first try. It's definitely a beast to get unraveled. Come on now. Come on over here. There you go.